Hey guys, it's Phil from Duplicate, your partners in print. I'm here with the Epson SureLab D1000 printer, and we're going to be looking at cleaning. We're going to be looking at cleaning from the front in this particular video. The previous video where we looked at cleaning from the top section. So let's take a look. Inside this section here at the front, we can see we've got some rollers, one set and two sets. These need to be cleaned with a lint-free cloth and also some window lint. Window lint works really well in these devices. It doesn't erode the rollers and it keeps them nice and smooth and removes any dust or debris. You've also got this section here at the back which has got a little finger hole. You just pull this up. Inside here you would normally just use a little paintbrush, obviously without any paint on, just brushing out any extra bit of debris or any dust that's inside there. I wouldn't be squirting any window lint into this section here whatsoever. Put that down, wipe off any dust that's on the inside there. Dust inside the print head will cause a blocked nozzle, which in turn will damage the head and could result in extra money being spent on replacing those particular expensive parts. Dust comes from paper cutting. Paper is made up of resin, plastic, and also fiber. So work through this section here every 3 to 4 weeks, keeping that clean, and you should have problem-free printing.